everybody! Welcome back to Desert DIY. If you are new here, my name is Corey. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my laundry room. So this laundry room was a ugly disaster. It was pretty disgusting. It was really dirty, needed renovation, had ugly tile, and needed a back door. The back door used to be an interior door with no real lock on it. So I can't wait to show you all the stuff we did to change this laundry room into my dream laundry room. And I want you at the end of this video to vote on what color you think I should paint my back door that's in this laundry room. I don't know if I want to paint it a pale pink or maybe go black, and you will see why with my decor. I'm going to show you a couple of before shots of this room just so you can get an idea of the changes that we've made in here. And I can't wait to hear what you think. So here we go. Here is my 1950s light fixture that I got for free and fixed up, and I will show you what I did to give it a little bit of a refresh. Now I'm just going to take a cotton ball, some nail polish remover, and rub the paint off like I've done here. I got the paint off there just to get the original finish showing. Somebody obviously didn't care about this light when they were painting the ceiling, so they just painted all over it, and I'm going to make it back to what it was when it was first made. Now I'm just going to use some Windex to clean off the piece. So coming into the laundry room, first thing on your left you'll see is this really awesome wood countertop. This is actually made out of the 2x4s that I took out of the walls that we took down in the house as we've been renovating. We put them all together using a Craig jig and glue, and then just hung it with some 1x2s, and it's removable in case we ever need to change something or if I wanted to do something different. Over here is like an attachment that goes in our dryer for drying things that have to sit. Trash can, and then I do like whites and colors there. And I got this laundry sign at Hobby Lobby. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it's wood. And then up above I just have a decorative basket. There's actually nothing in there. And then over here is all of my rags. And over here is a vintage painting on a piece of wood that somebody obviously hand painted. I just love this look of the soft pink. I feel like it goes really well with the light pink touches that I have in here. And then moving forward, I have this old wooden ironing board. I got this at Goodwill. I think I paid less than $10 for it. And these things are pretty pricey when you buy them from like an antique market. But all the workings of it are wood, and it's beautiful. And then there's my back door. Now this is the back door that I need everybody to vote on what color I should paint it. I don't know if I want to paint it to match my light in like a light pink color, or if I want to do it black to match the tile. And then over here I just have my sort of older model washer and dryer in a gray color. Up here I have my antique washboard. I got that, oh, I don't remember where, but I know I only paid like $1 or $2 for it. And then I have this black and white clock. As you can see, it's almost exactly 6 o'clock p.m. here. Laundry detergent goes up there. Up here I just have cleaning supplies and my iron and the bleach and things like that. Over here is just more cleaning supplies. I have to keep my cleaning supplies in a locked cabinet or closet because we are becoming foster parents. So we want to make sure we are meeting all of the standards of the home inspections. Now in here, this box I got from my grandmother when I was a child. And it has all of the socks that don't have a pair. So when I'm doing laundry, I just fold all the socks in here, throw all the ones that don't have pairs in here, and then by like 2 weeks from now, I'll have most of those paired back up. And then here, I got this wooden little skinny dresser for $5 at a yard sale in my neighborhood, and I put these new knobs on. I think I got these knobs at Hobby Lobby. They were probably between $3 to $6 a piece. And as you know, I live in southern Arizona, so that explains the saguaro cactus. And then over here, it's just where I hang my broom, and my mops and things are just not in here at the moment. But oh my gosh, when I painted this door, it was supposed to be white. It was like an off-white color originally, but they had smoked so much in the back of this house that it was all yellow. It was like an orange almost. And you can tell in the before video that it was pretty yucky. And then down here I have a transition tile here, and then this other tile that we put in. This was actually a backsplash tile, and I needed something to transition between my wood floor out there and this tile here. So I did this transition for both my laundry room and in the bathroom right next door. But these tiles are from Floor & Decor, and they're a pain in the butt to lay, but they're worth it in the end because they look beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time. And if you liked what you saw, then please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!